Sorry. Need to get the odometer.
Close the door.
Oh. Okay, odometer, and then the VIN plate.
Go through. Yeah, there you go.
Is it better here?